Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the right side we have dining counter with 2 chairs and washing machine arrangement. And we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If you go inside, so we have washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area. And we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is a beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.